Meet Susan and Dave, typical small business owners. Susan gets her phone system and service from the cloud. Dave gets his service from the phone company and uses a traditional phone system. Let's ask them some basic questions about their phone system. What do you need to make a phone call? And your system has voicemail to email? Advanced auto attendant? Customizable hold music? Great, you're all set up. Oh, good news, you just hired a new employee. Now what?
Hi, I need another phone in the phone line.
I need a new phone and phone line.
And what if you need support?
Oh, I call my representative and they help me right away.
Well, I call the phone company and I clear my schedule.
Now tell me, how much does all this cost? Does that include long distance? No hidden fees? One more question. What happens if the power goes out?
Well, the system is hosted in the cloud, so it automatically reroutes to our cell phones. Hi, you reached Susan's office. Hold on, please. Dave?
I'm okay. I'm okay.
Your business will love the reliability and cost savings of hosted PBX. Talk to our experts to create a quote specific to your business's needs. Call us today